Hi, welcome to Rado's Baking Lab. Today we're taking a classic and giving it a delicious twist. Get ready for chocolate-dipped banana bread. This recipe is all about that perfect balance of moist, banana-filled goodness and a touch of decadent dark chocolate. Let's dive in. Let's set up the oven and set it to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's preheating, let's smash some bananas. I'll list all the ingredients in the description box as always, and here's a quick tip for the bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful your bread will be. After all the ingredients are mixed evenly, grease the loaf pan and pour the batter in. We're going to bake this for about 70 to 75 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the bread cool completely before slicing it up. Now, for the fun part, let's temper some dark chocolate. Temper the dark chocolate to 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip each sliced bread halfway into the melted chocolate and let them set on baking paper. That contrast between the soft banana bread and the crisp chocolate, pure perfection. This twist takes our banana bread to a whole new level. Hope you had fun baking with me, and let me know how yours turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deliciousness. Until next time, keep baking and creating.